today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to wheelie a pit bike. This is a CRF 110F, and we're going to be showing you guys how to wheelie it today. So first, we're going to turn it on and show you guys the basics. So basically, when you're wheeling, you're going to like sit back on your seat a little bit, and well, obviously you're going to put your feet on if you're like experienced, but when you first start, you're going to want to like drag your feet. So you're going to put it up into second twice when it's already on, and then you're going to drive, and you're going to hit the gas and pull up, and then over here, come over here, is the brake, the back brake, which you hit that when you're going too far back, which is good because you don't want to fall back. But when your feet's down, your feet's what's holding you up. All right, so now you're gonna start it, which you turn the key, turn this on, and you're gonna wait for the fuel injection to like buzz through. And then when that's done, you can start it like this. And then right now it's warm because it's warm outside, so you don't have to wait. But I'm gonna show you guys how to wheelie with your feet down. You put it up in the first. When you start, you're gonna want to go in first, and then second when you're doing it without your feet. Now he's gonna.
All right, so this is what you do. For these bikes, since they're small, you want them in like second gear. And basically, all you do, and you have to do this over and over again, because you're not gonna get it first try. That's just how it is. Just pull back and press the brake over and over again, just to practice hitting your brake. And then, once you get used to that, you can try to keep it going. But it really just takes time. You just got to do it over and over again. So yeah.
I'm trying to wheelie with my feet off the ground.
So before he did with feet, now he's going to do without feet. And we're going to see how it goes. Because he's not a pro yet.
Don't do that, guys.
That's not good. Like I said, he hasn't had much practice yet, so he needs to keep working on that.
That's what happens when you don't have a back tire. I hit the brake and
Yeah,
slipped out.
make sure you have good tires, and again, make sure you have good brake control, because yikes.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's it for the video. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.